Now, what is the importance of human capital formation? Human capital formation is very important for the growth of an economy because it helps effectively and efficiently utilization of physical capital. Physical capital availability is not a guarantee of economic growth, economic development of a nation, because physical capital itself does not is able to produce anything until unless human capital is employed on it. It means when human capital, talented, educated, skilled capital will be employed with physical capital, then productivity level will increase in an economy. Not only it increases the production productivity level, but also increases life expectancy of the human beings. Now one important question arises: what are the causes of poor human capital formation in India? There are several reasons for poor capital formation in India. The most important is insufficient resources. We does not have sufficient resources, or resources allocated to the formation of human capital have been much less than resources required for meeting the educational and health needs of the country. Serious inefficiencies. There are a lot of wastage of society's resources, such as capability of educated people are either not made use of, massive literacy, non-education of many children, poor health facilities are other inefficiency which have not been attended to adequate and properly. High growth of population is another cause of poor capital formation, and lack of proper manpower planning is another basic cause of poor capital formation in India. The another aspect is human development index. Human development index is basically index. It is a composite statistics of life expectancy, education, and income. That's indices to rank country into four tiers of the human development. It was created by Mabul Haq, followed by economist Amartya Sen in 1990, and published by United Nations Development Programs. Basically, human development index include three basic human capabilities: longevity, means how long a person will live; educational attainment, it refers to education attained by the people of a country on an average basis; adult literacy rate; and gross enrollment ratio. Now, in order to construct the HDI, we have to add life expectancy index, educational attainment index, real GDP index. When these three are added, then these are divided by 3 and we are able to find out human development index.